Welcome. This video is only for OS X. If you're on Windows, please skip this video now and watch the next one. Alright, in this section, you're gonna prepare your development environment to start programming with Go. Alright, let's take a look at what you're gonna do quickly. Okay, in the first step, I'll show you how to install the code editor. I have tried a lot of editors so far and I've concluded that VS Code is the best among them for Go. However, if you love your editor, you can skip this step as well. And after installing the code editor, you will need to install Git. Simply put, it's a version control system. It keeps track of every changes that you make to your files. You're gonna install Git because Go has a central support for it, and by using Git, you can install external packages easily. Alright, after installing Git, in the third step, I'll show you how to install Go itself. So after you install everything that you need, we start configuring them. And lastly, I'll show you how to get and install the source code for the course. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now open up your browser and to the address bar just type code.visualstudio.com. Then click on this green button here. I'm on a Mac, so it says download for Mac. After it decompresses the file, just drag it to the applications folder like this. Okay, now it's time to install Git. Now I'm gonna type git-scm.com. Alright, here, just click on the download button right here. And after that, the download will automatically start. Okay, let me run it from here. So I need to open this pkg file here. It doesn't allow me to do so. So I need to open up my security and privacy preferences. I'm gonna type security here. Then I'm gonna select this one. Alright, here I just need to select open anyway. Then click on the open button again. Okay, let me close these windows now. Here, click on the continue button, then just click on the install button here. Here it asks for my password, no problem. Let me enter my password. Alright, done. And finally, it's time to install Go now. Just go to golang.org/dl. I'm just gonna select Apple macOS. After it completes, just open it up. And then just click on this continue button here. And then click on this install button to start the installation. Okay, done. Alright, that's all. You've installed everything. Okay, now open up the Spotlight and type VS here, or Visual Studio. Select this Visual Studio Code application, then hit enter. Voila, it's here. Congrats, now you have installed all the necessary tools. And now I'm gonna show you how to configure your coding editor for Go. Now let's click on this extensions button on the left side. Here, just search for Go like this. This is an official extension for Go support in VS Code. Just click on the install button to start installing it. Okay, it's done. Now let's click on the reload to activate button to restart VS Code, okay? Alright, cool. Let me just close this window. Okay. And now just exit from the Visual Studio Code completely like this. If you don't exit from it now, in the next step, some of the extensions won't get installed, alright? This step is important. Okay, now let's open up the VS Code again. Alright, now go to the View menu here. And here I'm gonna select the command palette. As you can see, you can also press these keyboard shortcut keys to open it up. We're gonna use it a lot, so it's better to learn them now. On my Mac, it's Command-Shift-P. If you're on Windows, it should be Control-Shift-P, okay? Now let's click on it. It will open up a pop-up. Here type Go install. And select this option here. Then click on this checkbox to install all the necessary Go tools and extensions. And then click on this OK button here. Now it goes and starts installing the extensions. It will take a while, so I'm gonna fast forward it now. Some of them for formatting your source code automatically, and some of them for checking your Go source code quality automatically, and so on. Alright, it's done. Cool. Let me close this panel. Okay. And lastly, let's integrate the code command to your command line. Now just open up the command palette by pressing Command-Shift-P or Control-Shift-P, and then just type shell here. And select this option here and hit enter. This will install a command so you can open up Visual Studio Code from the command line easily, okay? I'll show you how to use this in the next section. Alright, done. That's all. Congrats, now you have configured your code editor. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to download the course repository and I'm going to explain how I've structured it, okay? Alright, thank you for watching so far. See you in the next lecture.